Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Huobi, which is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges with tons and tons of cool features. Nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Let's dive into it. Jumping over to Huobi.com, guys, which as always is linked down below in the description. Huobi is one of the biggest and most original crypto trading platforms with loads and loads of cool features. Now, as you'd expect with all major exchanges, they have tons of different cryptos available on the exchange. They offer spot trading, they offer derivatives, they offer various types of financial solutions. They have a world-class security and risk management system with an all-round protection of user assets within the office storage and a 24/7 security monitoring system with 20,000 Bitcoin security reserve fund. Now, if we remember what's happened recently within FTX, this is essential. If we're going to be using exchanges, we need to be sure that they're backing up our money with other funds, which is really, really good to see. And you can say they have zero security incidents in the 9 years that they've been running, with over 10 million users worldwide in 200 different countries. They're not only available on desktop, but they also offer an app where you can buy and trade, whether that be NFTs, crypto, and so much more through Google Play, App Store, etc., etc. Coming down below, you can see that there's different things you can do. You can learn through Huobi, so you can practice and learn more about trading. And this is going to help you to ultimately profit more into the future. And as well as that, they offer partnership opportunities for new and upcoming crypto companies, which is great to see them supporting the space. Now, when you come over through the link down below in the description, and make sure you do that, guys, you'll get yourself access to a bonus. All you got to do is click up here where it says register, and then you can see you can get up to a 5,672 US dollar tether bonus by completing various beginner tasks. Now you can see it says I'm the 431 millionth user to be on Huobi, and you can see my $5,672 welcome bonus is available. I can download the app to get more rewards. Okay, so now that I've logged in, you can see I don't have any funds in there at the moment. All I got to do is click up here on deposit, and then I can send funds from other crypto wallets, or I can buy from credit cards, etc. But if you're wondering where to get hold of those bonuses, all we got to do is click on activity and click on rewards hub. And then you can see that I've got various tasks to do, and then I can win up to that massive bonus there. Sign up reward $800. You can see all these different ones. Deposit rewards, so whatever I deposit, they'll match the amount, and various other rewards for different things I can do. So bit of a no-brainer, guys. If you are interested in day trading, obviously if you're an experienced trader only, because trading can be risky, then head across, make the most of these bonuses to get started with one of the world's leading crypto exchanges. Now jumping across to the Huobi token, as you would expect with one of the world's leading exchanges that's been around more time than the majority of the crypto market put together, as you'd imagine, they have their own token, which is the Huobi token, the HT token. So the Huobi token is a blockchain-powered loyalty point system. It is the only token that Huobi officially launched. Huobi token supports Huobi businesses and all products such as a VIP discount, Huobi token exclusive events, trading against popular coins, and it lets your voice be heard, i.e. giving you governance. You can check the latest Huobi token price on the Huobi exchange. So by holding Huobi, obviously you get discount on your fees when you're trading between different cryptos, etc. You get access to various different deposits and bonuses. You get access for promotions, and you also can have governance in how the system works. And to purchase that, guys, all you got to do is click on buy HT, and that's going to bring you across to this page here, which might seem a little bit complicated, but if you've got USDT in here, this is very simple, or Bitcoin. All you got to do is select the pair that you have, like Bitcoin, Ethereum. All you got to do, guys, is type in HT here, and then you can see you've got HT, USDC, USDT, available Ethereum, Bitcoin. So, for example, if I clicked on HT, USDT, and then I had USDT in here, I could just say how much I wanted to buy or how much I wanted to sell. If I just click on market, then I get a market value. I could say, for example, just put in 1,000 USDT, buy HT, and that would have purchased me $1,000 US worth of HT. Obviously, I can't do that right now, guys, because I don't have any USDT in the account, as I've already showed you. Coming across to Twitter then, guys, you can see they have 1.3 million followers, which is absolutely massive. As I've mentioned, one of the biggest names in crypto, originally founded in China, one of the largest and most successful crypto companies. What I like is that all of their reserves, etc., are backed up by Bitcoin, with 20,000 of Bitcoin sitting in reserve ready ready to go at any given moment, unlike other trading firms recently that have struggled to maintain transparency. You can earn things like APY on various tokens through staking, and there is tons and tons of features available over on that website. So make sure you go through the link down below, pick up that bonus, and check out everything that Huobi has to offer. Jumping across quickly then to Next Earth, which is the first true land ownership platform in the metaverse. With the power of NFTs, they're building a platform where users can purchase, develop, and sell virtual land mapped onto the earth by combining your entrepreneurial spirit with infrastructure. So if you think about Sandbox, etc., this is like a modern 3D version that is built around the real world right now with fantastic opportunities. And you coming across this website, you can see all of the things that they offer, from buying land, entertainment, charity, staking, and so much more. Now, what I really like about this website, and given the time of year, this could be a really cool thing. Buy the world's first metaverse gift card by now. Why I love this, guys, is because lots of people don't know anything about Web3, and this is a really cool potential gift that you could give to someone that in the future may be worth significantly more than you actually purchase for. Give the world, your loved ones, this Xmas present or Christmas present for only $10 and get $50 worth of land for just $10. Very, very cool, guys. Very new and interesting concept. I personally am going to be saving it to bookmarks because I think people who would be interested in getting a gift like this for Christmas. It's cool because it's eco-friendly, it's quick and easy, and it's cool and it's hyped up, guys. This is a very cool one thing. You'll also have a potential at winning $100,000 worth of land tiles. There's various different other features available by holding the gift card. So all you got to do, come across that website, click the link at the top. It's going to bring you to this page, and then you can buy the gift card for $10 just by clicking on that, and then come down below. All you've got to type in is all of this information down here. Jumping across to the Next Earth Twitter then, guys, you can see 55,000 followers. This could well be a big project moving into the bull market, which could just be around the corner. There's tons and tons of staking going on with Next Earth, a lot of big supporters, and they've had phenomenal amounts of investment. So this could well be a very successful project moving into the future. Guys, two fantastic projects we talked about today. Huobi, one of the world's leading exchanges with excellent collateral, enabling them to be able to offer you fantastic rates and guarantee your secure and safe transaction over on the platform. As well as that, we looked at Next Earth, where you can go and buy yourself one of the very first metaverse gift cards for just $10, giving yourself $50 worth of metaverse land in a real world environment NFT Web3 project. Hope you enjoyed that video, guys. If you did, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Check out everything from the links down below in the description to pick up all of those special bonuses that I've talked about. If you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about Web3, NFTs, crypto, and so much more, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.